The grey heron is a large wading bird. It's very common throughout Ireland and it's found throughout Europe, Africa, and Western Asia. What does it look like? The heron is a large bird, about 1 meter in length with a wingspan up to 2 meters. It has a long leg for wading its shallow water, a long neck and long sharp yellowish beak. Its feathers are mostly gray on the back and wings, with a white neck and breast. It has a black stripe over its yellow eye, and the black feathers hang back behind its head. The heron makes a harsh croaking sound. Frack. Where does it live? Herons are common and widespread throughout Ireland. They are found at estuaries, lakes, rivers, and canals, and can be found in cities as well as in the countryside. You will often see herons standing extremely still in water's edge, either with their neck stretched out long if they are hunting or hands up if they are resting. Like a lot of birds, herons often stand on one leg. Herons build big nests at the top of trees in springtime. The nest with other heron couples in groups called heron race. In April, the female heron will lay 3 to 5 bluish-green eggs in the nest. Both parents will take turns incubating the eggs, keeping them warm for about 3.5 weeks until they hatch. The chicks stay in the nest until they are about 8 weeks, and herons usually live about 5 years old. And if you are newbie to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell icon so that you are updated to my next video. Thank you guys, and God bless us all.